here in the UK, we've had 30 years of the mantra that private is better and that private companies are more efficient. Now, what we know is that that isn't true, and that there's very little evidence that privatisation and outsourcing ever make things better for the people who use public services. But what we have to do in fighting back and in fighting for something better is put forward an alternative that can actually happen, and try to communicate cleverly the benefits of public ownership and the benefits of putting public service users first. So we're campaigning for a public service users bill. And the idea behind this bill is that it would put the people who are affected by privatised services and contracts, put those people at the centre of public services. So it would be about putting us, the public, first. What the bill would do is that it would make the processes around contracting out more transparent and more accountable, and it would make it easier for local and national government to put people first. Now, the reason we're campaigning for this bill, rather than just saying no to privatisation, is that we want to come up with something that is a good first step, that is something that we can win, and then we can build upon that victory. It's very hard for anyone to disagree with the idea that there should be transparency and accountability in public services. It's very hard for anyone to disagree with the idea that public service users should come first and that the public should get a say over what happens with the public services that it pays for and that it uses. So it's very hard to disagree with this bill, and that's a good starting point for something that we really want to actually win. It's also important that we put forward something that feels very modern, and I think one of the things on our side at the moment is that contracts get agreed between private providers and government in kind of smoke-filled rooms where the public doesn't get any kind of look in. So by putting forward this idea that the people affected should get their say, that we need more democracy, we're actually showing that we're more up to date really than other people who want things to stay as they are. So we're putting forward a more positive vision for the future.